And you can take and use it anywhere, just with a cylinder, with a butane cylinder. Now let me show you how it works and how to use it. First, you need to push the plug in and press it. Okay, then rotate it. First, before you use it, you need to make sure the cylinder is installed correctly and there is no leakage. And then you need to turn the knob until you can hear the sound of the gas coming out. And then you need another lighter. I use this one to fire it. Okay. You can hear the sound is really big because the fire is really powerful. If you think it is too big, you can control this gas volume knob to adjust the fire. Make it smaller or bigger to meet your various needs. Okay. And turn it right. The fire will finish. After using it, don't touch the tube. It is very hot, so don't be hurt by touching.